This is cause 2018-28954 in the interest of Amari Fletcher. Please, parties, raise your right hand to be sworn. Solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All
Yes,
right.
sir.
And please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Anitra Scott, and I'm his mom.
All right. And Ms. Wilder, your name and your interest in this case?
My name is Paula J. Wilder, and I am the attorney for Father Alonzo Fletcher, who is not here because we were told there was going to be a continuance, and then at the last minute we weren't. And then I was to call in and find out
All
if
right,
there was
ma'am.
going
Ms.
Wait,
Armstrong, for the AG's office, please. Your
Yeah.
name.
Yes, Koya Armstrong, representing the state of Texas.
All right, what do we have? A non-agreed child support review order? Ms. Armstrong?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. To establish the parent-child relationship, we filed that with the court back in April 25th of 2019. So it's been a while, almost a year and a half. We then served Mr. Fletcher with that document. He was served, he filed an answer, he was served and then filed an answer January 24th of 2020, filed an answer through his attorney, Ms. Wilder, which was about 8 months ago. And then we've set for court today. Ms. Wilder is requesting a reset on behalf of her client, Mr. Fletcher. Ms. Scott is wanting to go ahead and get this over with. It has been pending for a year and a half. So that's why we're here for a contested reset, sir.
All right, Ms. Elder, you have a response?
Yes, sir. The only thing that's contested is, I think, child support. I did file an answer on behalf of my client, and there is an admission of paternity. And my client is not asking for a reset. I am asking for a reset.
Based on what, ma'am?
Well, just trying to get myself together here. COVID has been very, very difficult, and the resets that we've gotten that I've requested have been during COVID. My special needs son lives at the center, and we've been trying to get him into an apartment. We've finally done that. I have been, well, bottom line, I have been in a hotel since COVID started, from hotel to hotel. I did not see my child for months. My daughter, post-op, double bell replaced. I have not seen my children. We're separated. I am not able physically, emotionally, or in any way to practice right now. I was just overnight with my son for a sleep study, not breathing. I mean, I am just overwhelmed. I can't do this. I have been practicing for 25 years. I am always ready to come. I always come to the courthouse. This is the first time that I've been involved in litigation with this particular client or any clients. I'm in a hotel. The connection isn't good. It's dropped 3 or 4 times. I keep having to call back in. I don't have my documents, and I'm not prepared mentally, physically, or in any other way to do this. That's all I can say.
All right. What,
I'm doing the best I can.
What is contested is child support. Is that correct, Ms. Armstrong?
That's it.
I didn't have a chance, because Dad was not here, I didn't have a chance to even speak with the parties to see what's contested in the actual order since a reset was requested.
Okay, Ms. Wilder, why is your client not here?
My client is not here because I received a notice that is dated August the 19th that says, in an effort to help prevent the spread of the coronavirus, COVID-19, the Harris County Family Courts are not holding in-person hearings at this time. As such, no parties should appear for this that was set for 9/8/2020. Parties will be notified when a new hearing date is set or may be contacted to participate in a virtual negotiation. Thank you for your time and attention in this matter. That was dated August the 19th. I didn't get a call until September the 1st telling me that this trial was going to take place this morning. I explained to them at that time what my situation was, and they said, well, okay, we'll just go ahead, the person on the phone, and request a reset. Don't worry about it. Then I got another call back that said, okay, well, that's not what's going on. So then I was told I needed to call in this morning, and I have all this in emails. I've emailed the OAG about it. I've emailed every time I spoke to someone on the phone, I confirmed it in writing. So the first notice I got of this hearing was on September the 1st, that I needed to appear via Zoom. That was a phone call. And then I was left with the understanding that it was going to be reset. Then I was told that I needed to call in this morning and ask for a reset. And I explained then that this is September the 1st. It's going to be a holiday weekend. I'm not prepared. I'm living in a place where I don't even have a reliable Zoom connection. It's dropped 3 or 4 times. I'm not going to meet with my client face to face. I don't have my documents. Most of my stuff is in storage. It's a nightmare.
Everybody's living the nightmare, man.
That's what I understand. And that's why, even if I had been given a little more time, I could have prepared to do that. Everything now takes longer. I don't even have access to anything that's not on my jump drive.
Ms. Armstrong? Ms. Armstrong?
I would like to give Ms. Scott a chance to. Yes, sir. I am not aware of any of these emails that she received. I haven't seen any requests, any formal request in writing.
Well, we just lost Ms. Armstrong. Everybody's having problems, Ms. Wilder. You're not alone. You lost. Go ahead. She'll come back.
You just need to log back in.
That's over there. She won't be behind her. There's Andrew. All right, I'm going to take a few minutes recess, and as soon as we get everybody back, I'll be back on the bench.
This COVID don't get over. I'm telling this is a hot mess. Oh.
Maria, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, I'm sorry. I don't know what happened. My computer just completely shut itself down. I had to log back in.
Okay, let me call the judge back out.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Armstrong, you were saying,
Yes, I apologize, Your Honor, computer issues.
Wonderful.
Yes, I was saying, Your I was saying, Your Honor, that it's been filed, we filed it back last year in 2019. It's been almost a year and a half since we originally filed this non-agreed.
Why is it taking so long?
A lot of resets. It's been reset a lot of times. Some because of the party, some due to COVID. So a combination of the two reasons. And I'm not sure if Ms. Scott wanted to say anything.
Yes,
Hold
I,
on.
I do. I would like to say something.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Okay. With all due respect, I have COVID is going on, sure enough, sir. But a reset, can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
Not really.
Okay, but a reset to them is just a reset to give them more time. But a reset to me is setting me back. I have a son. It's a big reset. That word to me is big. I have a son that needs, and I've been patient ever since last year. And a reset to me is like, okay, I have a son looking in my face that we just have to go without. I haven't received anything in child support. I've been very patient, and my son needs help. He's at home right now doing online schooling. And what do I do? How do I feed him? How do I get his school supplies? The school doesn't have laptops. The school doesn't have Wi-Fi. That's everything I have to pay for. So a reset to me, sir, that's a big word. That's a big pushback when you have a child that you have to take care of and have a mouth to feed. That is big. And I have nothing. I don't have anything. And COVID, this is the new norm. So if we reset because of COVID, we're going to be reset for the rest of our life.
All right, look, it
I-
looks like
I
there
need
was
assistance.
service in January of
Yes.
this year. Is that correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
from the date of filing, it was took quite a while to get service.
It did, took us a while.
6 or 7 months, all right. And Ms. Wilder, it's my understanding that there's no disagreement as to the paternity of this child?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not, Your Honor. And I'm listening to mom and I understand where she's coming from. And actually, my client wants this case over with to, I mean,
All right, so why can't you get him? Why can't
Why
you?
can't we, because it's
you get him
Zoom, we
on
have
the
a
phone?
phone. He have Zoom on
Hold
his
on, Miss
phone.
Scott. Miss Scott, nobody's talking to you right now. Why don't you get him on the phone right now, Ms. Wilder?
let me,
I'm gonna at least enter
Yeah.
temporary orders.
and,
All right.
and I think, you know what, Your Honor, and given the circumstances, I'm listening to mom. I understand what she's saying because I am a mom. And
All
that's
right,
why I'm here.
okay,
Let
listen to me.
let me
Okay, listen to me. I'm gonna at
get him
least
on the,
enter temporary orders, establish him as the father of the child and some type of child support. We can save arrearages for the final order, but we need to get something going now. All right, you're gonna need,
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna give you some opportunity to get a hold of him, and possibly Ms. Armstrong and Ms. Scott, you can maybe negotiate some temporary orders or final orders, I don't know. But
Yes, sir.
final, but if you can even negotiate some temporary orders, I'll be available to hear those. Okay.
I'm
Okay.
amenable to that.
Sounds good.
All right, we're going to recess for the time being until we get a hold of Mr. Wilder.
And now, who
Yes.
am I going to call? Who and where am I going to call back into?
The same
Need to
negotiation.
talk to Ms. Armstrong.
Yeah, wait until he takes us off of YouTube and then I'll give you that ID number again. It's the same one.
Okay, thank you.
It's the same one you called in this morning. Though.
When he gets off, I'm going to verify that.
Yes, ma'am.
Whew, crazy times. Case number, the OHE number. The Zoom ID is
Wait, wait, ma'am,
892.
we're still on YouTube. One moment, please. One moment.